Do your video clips jump suddenly from one scene to another? Adding smooth transitions in CapCut Mobile is very easy. Open your project in CapCut Mobile. Look at the timeline between your two video clips. Tap on the small white square button to open the transitions menu. You will see many categories like camera, blur, and slide. Tap any transition to preview how it looks. Pick a clean transition that matches your video style. Look at the bottom slider to change the speed. Drag the slider to make the transition faster or slower. Tap the check mark to save it. Here is a pro tip that will save you a lot of time. Do not add transitions one by one. Tap on Apply to All at the bottom left. This will place your chosen transition across all your clips in one single tap. Now, your video flows naturally from clip to clip. Get CapCut Mobile for free using the link in the description. Subscribe for the next editing tutorial.